Hello and welcome to the Learning D3 course by Eduonix. My name is Brad Traversy and I'll be your instructor for this course. So this course will focus on the JavaScript D3 data visualization library through slides, examples, and projects. There will be 6 chapters. Each chapter will have 4 to 6 sections, and each section will include a video and then any documents, work files, and quizzes that belong to that section. So what you should know before taking this course, you should at least have a general knowledge in HTML and CSS, especially CSS selectors, because D3 uses them in a lot of different ways. JavaScript, you should know at least the basics, and programming fundamentals such as arrays, functions, variables, things like that. Things that are basically present in just about every programming language. JQuery you don't need to know, but it will be to your advantage if you do. Not only because we'll be using JQuery, but also because the syntax for D3, at least the selecting and things like that, are very similar to the way JQuery works. So some of the technology and concepts that will be provided throughout the course: front-end development, so HTML, CSS, JavaScript, obviously the D3 library, jQuery, data visualization. D3 is all about visualizing data. JSON, which is JavaScript object notation. We'll be dealing with JSON objects, arrays and objects. SVG, which is Scalable Vector Graphics. D3 relies heavily on SVG for complex shapes. Transitions, data scaling, data binding, and also displaying and charting data. So here's a quick overview of the chapters. We have the Getting Started with D3 chapter, which is basically just like an introduction. What is D3? What is data visualization? Chapter 2 will be on basic selecting and data binding. Chapter 3 will be on Scalable Vector Graphics and using SVG with D3. Chapter 4 will be on scales, the different types of scales that are provided. Chapter 5 will be on data transitions and display. And then Chapter 6 will be our project where we'll create a scatter plot chart. Okay, so that is a quick summary of the course. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next section.